this opportunity to share some of our thoughts and our experience of building Amway business for the last 22 years. Basically, today we are going to share a little about our own story, our background, how we got associated with this Amway business, why we came into this business, and what kind of challenges we had to face, and how we could overcome those challenges and reach this level of success. You may wonder that who are you? Why we are going to listen to your story? You are no big shot. Absolutely true. We are no big deal. We are most ordinary couple. But this business really allowed us to slowly become a little extraordinary. The business is like that. And our whole purpose of this evening is just to give you the hope that if an ordinary couple like us can build this business up to this level, any one of you can build this business even to a bigger height. So actually, if any one of you can take a decision by listening to our story, that if this ordinary couple can build it, I can also build it. Our purpose is this. And our purpose is fully fulfilled when any of you taking a decision tonight and building this business, and maybe after 1 or 2 years down the road, you will share your own story, and we will be on the other side of the camera and listening to your success story. Then our purpose will be really fulfilled. But amongst ourselves, who deserves the most to share the story first is no one but Sujata. Because Sujata will share her own story, but I can tell on her behalf that being a simple housewife and having no experience of any kind of outdoor works, the way she transformed herself and changed herself, and on the side of taking care of the family and raising our kids, the way she could build such a big business is truly awesome. So here I present my best friend, my life partner, and also my business partner, Sujata.
Thank you. Hello. We are Subhasis and Sujata Ghosh. We are in this business for last 22 years. And whatever success I have achieved so far, for that I am grateful to Almighty God, our upline, Ashita Datta and Sheta Datta, Amway Corporation, our excellent team, and of course my husband Subhasis. Because from the very first day I got, I'm still getting the inspiration, encouragement from him. So let me share my story, my background. I got married to Subhasis just after my graduation at a very young age. And being a housewife of a very conservative family, I had to look after my family. And thereafter, my primary job was raising my kids along with some family responsibilities and some household activities. So before joining this business, I was already looking for some opportunity mentally due to some specific reasons. Firstly, I had a lot of dreams from my childhood, but with the salary, although Subhasis did a decent government job, but with his salary, I could run our family reasonably well, but fulfilling our dream is not at all sufficient with that money. So I was looking for some opportunity at that time, and secondly, till that time in our life we had to face a lot of financial challenges, lot of health challenges, and I realized that importance of money due to during that crisis. So that was another reason to join this business, and most important reason was I wanted badly a personal identity. That's why when we saw the plan from our upline, Arshita Datto and Sheta Datto, we took on spot decision to build this business. And because by God's grace, we could realize the potential of the business. That's why we started this business, and obviously we had to face a lot of challenges, both internal challenges and external challenges. To start with, I faced a lot of internal challenges because being a houser, I already mentioned that I didn't have any experience of doing anything. I started thinking that I am not smart enough to build this business. I can speak fluently. I can. It's true that I couldn't speak any other language other than Bengali. So I didn't have any selling experience. So I started thinking, can I build this business? But I had two options. Either giving all those excuses not to build this business, and another option, I have to change myself. I have to make some necessary changes within me to build this business. Somehow, and thankfully, I dared to took the second option, and we started building this business, and we had to face some external challenges also, because we had to face a lot of refusal, rejection, humiliation from our close friends and close relatives. And that, of course, those some negative remarks helped me to put more focus and to give more priority in this business. And I realized that I have to prove myself right and prove them wrong by putting more effort in this business, and I had to become successful on a first run, and we did it. Let me share some proud moments of our life. When we started this business, our kids were very small, and our friends, relatives started saying that due to my negligence, I won't be able to raise my son properly, and they won't be successful. They won't be succeed in their academic careers. So, but in fact, what happened? We continued to build this business in a full priority, and became founders several. We did 2.5 years, and gradually we became EDC so far. But at the same time, my son he secured the highest marks in and became All India topper in ISC exam, and then he did his engineering from IIT Kanpur, and he was working. After that, he was working in a very prime MNC for 5 years, and then he did his MBA from a very prestigious university, Harvard University. And our proud feelings doesn't stop here. My daughter, she also a rank holder of ISC exam, and she did her graduation, and she became the chartered accountant at very young age. And after doing a good job, one of the top four big companies, audit companies, and then now she is pursuing her MBA in IIM Ahmedabad. Actually, I am sharing this story not to beat my drum. I just make you wanted to. I just wanted to make you understand that raising kids in a proper way should not be an excuse of not putting effort or not putting priority to build this business. So actually, through this business, our life has totally changed now. But not only we are successful, but through this business, because we took a strong decision 24 years ago to build business. Now we are impacting a lot of lives. Through this business, our life has changed totally today. Not only we are successful in this business, but because of we could take a strong decision 24 years ago, we can impact a lot of life today, and directly or indirectly, both from outside this business or inside the business. I'd like to share a story with you before finish my part. A story of three ants. One day, two ants actually they were discussing about their vision of life. One said that I want to be the fattest ant in the world. Another said I want to be the fastest ant. And while they were discussing about the vision of life, then the third ant passing by. Then they asked the third ant, "Hey, what is the vision of your life?" Uh, Third ant said, "I don't want to be the fastest ant or fattest ant. I want to be a butterfly." Actually, anyone can achieve success in their life, but the true success is in the journey of your success, how many lives you are impacting and making them feel happy. That is the most important thing. And this business allows you to have a life like butterfly. Thank you. Now over to my husband.
Awesome, awesome. And the story that Sujata shared right now is truly so. And really this business allows anyone to live the life of a butterfly. Now let me share a little about my story, my background, and how I came into this business. After doing my schooling from an ordinary Bengali medium school, I did my engineering from Jadavpur University, civil engineering. Because from the childhood, the kind of education that I used to get from my parents, my grandmother, and my elderly persons, that was about honesty, ethics, and in our family, education was the topmost priority. So after doing my engineering, what I should do? Because I was brought up with this kind of an atmosphere, you must get a good education. If you get a good education, you may get a good job. And if you get a good job, you are set in life. That's how, after finishing my engineering, I searched for some good job. After doing a couple of private jobs, I ultimately got a job in a state government undertaking department as an assistant engineer at that time. And later on, I was promoted to executive engineer also. And after that, after you have got a job, what do you should do? You should get married. That was my case too. And our marriage was not a love marriage. It was a negotiation marriage. And we decided to start our love after we get married. And the love that started almost 24 years back, and that love is still continuing. And for that, this business has also played a major role. So after we got married, because Sujata already said that she was a big dreamer, we were talking about a lot of our dreams, which I could not fulfill with my salary. So a little about demotivation came in our life. Then again, our kids came into our life, Subhasis and Sujata has already shared their story. and then again had some joy in our family. Then again the same monotonous day in day out affair. Because with the limited income from my job, and if your income is coming in an honest way, you can understand that fulfilling your dream is out of question. So we started accepting life as it is, that you may dream a lot of dreams, but all the dreams are not going to be fulfilled and you have to accept. At that point of time, when we had already accepted that nothing big is going to happen in our life, this business opportunity came from my own cousin brothers, Ashita Wood and Shweta Datta. I still remember that evening vividly when Ashita Wood came into our house and showed us family business opportunity. He actually focused on our dream. He actually tried to find out our dream, which dreams were already very hazy. Because we already accepted that those dreams are not going to happen, it's not going to be fulfilled. But he gave us the hope through his presentation that if he can understand this business and if he can build this business properly, maybe you can fulfill many of your unfulfilled dreams. And I can share proudly today that all the dreams we have dreamed so far in our lives, most of them have already fulfilled. Now we can dare to dream even build it. And I know that those dreams are also going to. So while seeing the opportunity from Ashita Buddha, with the blessings of God, I could understand the potentials. Because I was doing math. So the mathematics part was very clear to me. But it was very difficult to believe that can it so happen? Because I was doing a decent job as an executive engineer at that point of time. And I knew that if I continue with my job, I will definitely become a chief engineer in my organization. And the kind of income that Amway business offered, which we used to see in the plan at that point of time, at silver level, 10,000 PG level, our chief engineer also did not get that much money at that point of time. So it was really difficult to believe. But I believed in the person who was showing me the opportunity. Because he is a genuine person, Ashita Buddha. So through him, I developed the belief in Amway business. And when he gave us the hope, and the other reason that I was very introvert kind of a person, I could understand to build the business, I have to keep it secret. I have very limited friends, and I was a very introvert kind of a person. So I could not believe in myself that I can become successful. But I needed this business back. Then Ashita Buddha gave us the hope that if you believe in us and just follow what we are saying to you, I believe that one day you will become successful. And then that is that. My reason of building the business, joining the business, was initially, one of the main reasons was to make around 10,000 rupees a month. And in 1998, when we joined the business, 10,000 rupees was a business. It is good money even today, but 10,000 rupees was my take-home salary at that point of time as an executive. So 10,000 rupees. So I thought that if I can replace my salary to this business income, that will be awesome. And many of my dreams will be fulfilled. So that was one of the top reasons of building the business. And another reason was when I saw the opportunity from my upline of Buddha, he mentioned one line that really attracted me this time. He said that if you build the business properly in the right way, one day you will find that you have become redundant in your own business. When I will retire, I will get pension. So that was something very lucrative to me. But you just think that suppose you get retirement at your retirement age, and at that time your last drawn salary is suppose 1 lakh. When you will retire, you will start getting pension, you will no more get 1 lakh. You will get maximum 40,000. So whatever lifestyle you could maintain with 1 lakh rupees of income per month, can you sustain the same lifestyle with 40,000? So your lifestyle will drop. But when I understood that if I do the business right, when we will be no more in this business or in the world, my next generation will inherit the business and they will still keep the same money if I build it right. So that's really attracted me. That was another big reason of getting to. Then what I understood from the presentation that in this business we will get a lot of good quality products that can be used in households. I have never seen those products till that time, but I could understand that the products would look to be a little costly, but the products are highly concentrated, so your cost per use will be the same like any other product you are using from the marketplace, but the quality wise it will be far perfect, and the product will have a 100% money back guarantee. That means if you are not satisfied with the product, you can return it and get 100% money back. I have never heard like this anytime in my life. So I researched that what the company has done in the other markets. Everywhere it was flourishing. It has become the number one direct selling company in all the markets. So that gave us the confidence, the belief. So I had to prove that I can. And with the guidance of my upline and the support of the company, slowly we became successful. As a matter of fact, in the very first month, I could break myself. Of an activity. And within a short time, as Sujata already mentioned, that we could become silver. Then, but my primary reason was to make 10,000 rupees. That money I started making in this business from the first month. So I already in my dream. The business got stagnated. I was making 10,000 plus every month. I was not moving up. Then it's again we renewed our dream, and again we started doing, and that's how we become founders of our within 2.5 years, and ultimately we became executive diamond. So that is a little about our success story. But this business truly allowed you not to become successful just yourself. Today we are successful, but we really changed the memory that the pebble that we threw on the pond 24 years back, the ripple effect of that throw still continues. We have one of the largest organizations of families in this country. We have many successful people in this in our network in this country. So that gives us more pleasure. When we go for the foreign trip, the real estate, I am going, staying in nice hotels, everything good. But if I could do a good job, suppose I am a chief engineer and I am going abroad, I can go abroad. But can I take 500 of my friends in the same place? Who will stay in the same hotel with me? Never. But this business allows us to. So, and those 500 friends, they have also changed their lives through this Amway business, where I had some direct or indirect impact. So this business is something better. And when we started the business, somehow we had to find some time to put into this business. But right now, the Amway business is the center of our. The business will be there, and all other things I will have to act. Initially, what happens that I do not find the time to build the business. That is the reason why many people cannot do it. For genuine reason. But the main thing is that if we find the reason of building, if you can find the reason of building his business, and if you can start believing that one day I will do it. Because when you find that the successful people around the globe, around the country, those who have reached good levels of building this business, they're nothing better than you. They're just like you. That will give you the hope. That will give you the belief that yes, if I try like them, I can also become successful. For some people, it may take a little time. For some people, it may take a longer time. That doesn't matter. This is not a 100-meter thing. This is a marathon. And the main goal is to finish the race. The race we have started, we must finish it. So we have started moving the business with some hope, with some dream. It is your responsibility to be loyal to yourself and to fulfill your dreams. Because when you decide to do it, you give hope to yourself, you promise to yourself, and promise to your family members, promise to some others. So it is your responsibility to do that job. And it is allowed. And to this business, you have the world's best products, world's best trainings, and world's best membership group from all the successful people in Amway business, in national level and in global. So everything is right. Amway business is the best business opportunity, the number one direct selling company in this country and around the globe. Your upline and your line of responsibility, that is the best thing. Now is just final place. And to become successful, you focus on your own success, maybe you are missing the point. Because the philosophy of building this business is that if you want to be successful, then you have to focus on helping others to become successful. Your success depends on how many people are better off on this world because you started. How many people you have helped to change the world. So this business, the philosophy of this business, you can understand that it's not only different world. In the corporate world, success is there, people are making money. But the lifestyle, we talk about lifestyle. Lifestyle is a combination of two words, life and style. Life is style. Style comes from money. So to have a good lifestyle, you must have money. At the same time, you must have time also to enjoy that money. People are there who have money. Big doctors, big engineers, big successful businessmen, but they don't have time. But this business, actually, when you start the business, the amount of time you have to put, maybe you will find it difficult to put it. But when you are a huge business, at that time, you are taking lesser time. And you will have all the time to enjoy, all the time to develop yourself. In this business, today we can say proud to that we are today a much, much better human being than what we were when we started the business 24 years ago. And for that, I really thank Amway, I really thank our uplines, and I really thank all you. It was a great opportunity for us to speak a little about our story, our success story with you. And if I had impacted any one of you to our story, and if you could take the hope back and start looking this business and share your success story a couple of years down the road from our perspective. It was nice talk.